I'd just like to take this time to thank you, the viewer, for watching and commenting and giving me just positive assurance. It does mean a lot to me. Your comments, your encouragement keeps me going, and just wholeheartedly thank you. So as it sits, I have about a quarter of what it would cost to buy a stock kit and put it in here, change all the rails and stuff like that. And that's on the low side. I think that would actually, a stock kit would cost more, nuts and bolts and changing it over. And I don't think it's a swappable metal bed to wood. The front might have to be changed, things like that. But, you know, I don't know. But all the metal, all the ribs, bracing, the wood, at least a quarter of the price. And the satisfaction is I'm making it myself. Get what you want out of that. It's not going to be the same. Um, I don't even know if this will hold together. The stock bed, there's the straps, they kind of hook into, there's a ridge routed in. Now, if this doesn't work, I can always go buy the stock ribs, router in or cut in that edge, and it hooks right in, and problem solved. But I'm going to try it with this flat bar to start with and see if everything can stay put. The risk is if it shifts and it widens, the flat bar could fall through. But if it's all ribbed together crossway, I don't see how it would widen. But I mean, we don't know. There's, of course, there's a lot of twists in these frames and things like that. But yeah, I went and bought supposedly, like, this is from a big box store, clear pine select grade. I don't even know if it's better than just good old spruce lumber. I could have got some treated lumber, 1x6. Could have saved a lot of money. Lumber's probably more cupped and more twisted, but the stuff I got, I was maybe in too much of a hurry. I don't think I got what I paid for. I thought it'd be easier to work with if it's straight and not twisted and cupped and curved, but it's far from perfect, and it's far from clear. But, oh well, we'll deal with it. Things have happened. I haven't been filming just because I'm not sure if I'm doing is actually working, but I have 2-inch square tubing. This will bolt down to the frame. So I have 4 of these, 1.5 angle iron, one up there as well, and then I just drilled every 6 inches, and then 1x6 goes in, this goes on top, and then a little, I'm using an 1.5-inch carriage bolt, just dropping them in. Everything's kind of loose yet. I started from the center and I'm working out to the box side. Just getting the wood in, regardless of the box, and then kind of square it up the best I can, tighten everything down, then attach the box to the truck, and wherever it is, this is wherever it is. I was trying to do all 3 together, and it was driving me crazy. So some holes I may have to adjust yet, just if things aren't. But then I got a little gap and just bang over everything tight with a wood block, and so far so good. But fairly happy with it.
Much later.
Okay, I'm gonna spend a little time talking about this wood. Not completely done. Plan is to just maybe put in some angle iron here just to cover this gap. Yeah, this was, I'm going to say this was the hardest part. I didn't show you how I did it step by step because I don't know if I recommend it. It was a lot of work. Doesn't look too bad now. All 1x6. I switched to a 1x8 here just to get me enough under the fender. I was probably pretty boastful about pre-drilling everything. Might have been a bad idea. I think it would have been a little better drilling after the fact. Yeah, pre-drilling these maybe. Yeah, I struggled a bit. I mean, the wood. Uh, I assume the wood would be dead on. Buying, prime quote prime select pine, but no, don't assume that. With the time, maybe further ahead. This is a few weeks later since I last shot. It's my busy season. Haven't been getting a lot of time working on the truck. I'll wrap it up here. Maybe a little bonus on the tailgate, but that's pretty straightforward. But that's the wood in the box. 95% done. That's as far as I'm taking it, I think. Yeah. There's a couple. What do you call it? Carriage bolts to do. And then, yeah, just this back, if it ever gets done. I'm getting sick of it, but it's just a little unfinished. If it's fine the way it is, but drain some water. But all right, thanks for watching. So I worked really hard on getting this. Oh, sorry, mosquito. Worked really hard on getting this box nice and square. I pulled it together, welded, of course. Tailgate didn't close, so you see the jack. Yeah, you know what had to be done. Okay, tailgate closes. You can kind of see what I'm up against. Something happened here, right? So it's tight, but it is. Opening and closing. Man, oh. These tailgates don't come off. They are tough to get off and on. Appreciate that about new trucks.